Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm finally installing the front mount intercooler and Mishimoto radiator. Now I'm not going to do a complete step-by-step because Mishimoto already did that video and it's a much better job than I can do. But I will be adding any tips or tricks that I find or any difficulties that I've run into. So let's go ahead and get started. There it is. Got the cob intercooler off. Wasn't too bad. Alright guys, so now that I got the front mount intercooler off, I'm going to climb under the car and replace the charge pipe. Gotta get the old one off first though. Let me do that. Hi guys, there it is. The old charge pipe. You can see the blow-off valve is right there on that flange. So here's the charge pipe that was on there. Here's a new one going on with the welded on block-off plate. Just got to switch this rubber hose onto the new one. It'll be good. Alright guys, now I got everything stripped off the crash bar. I just have one bolt left on each side, so I'm going to take these out. Right now I have this jack supporting the radiator and AC condenser unit. So this unit right here is all connected as one, the AC condenser and the radiator. It's being supported by the crash bar currently, but since I'm going to be taking this crash bar off, I have this jack just supporting the weight of that unit. There it is. Full crash bar comes off. I don't know, if I had to guess, say maybe this is, I don't know, maybe 40 pounds or so, 30, 40 pounds. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to push out for now on the radiator. I'm running that a day and it's still a lot of work, and I really rather not do it by myself. I really have a friend help me, just because you have to take you have to take this all apart. You have to get the condenser, the AC condenser and the radiator apart, and you have to do that while the AC condenser is still connected to the car through the AC hose. I don't really want to damage anything. It's kind of hard doing it by myself, so I'm going to wait until I have a buddy come over, and then we'll be able to separate the condenser and the radiator and that kind of thing. So right now I'm just going to put the crash bar back on. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you this. One thing that I kind of screwed up on is these top mounts for the crash bar and the radiator support. That's actually where the mounts go for the top of the intercooler. So I messed up and put the bolts in already, so I just need to take them out and then hang the intercooler. Alright, so now that we have the intercooler installed, everything's installed, airbag sensors, we have to transfer the blow-off valve to the intercooler. I think I'm going to call it a day. So I got the crash bar, intercooler, and blow-off valve all mounted up. It's day 2, and the first thing I want to do is get the car running. In order to do that, I need to run the vacuum line to the blow-off valve. So I wanted to show you guys my solution to, right now I'm running the Mountoon front splitter, and it used to have this center support piece, and it would screw into the bolt that would fix the centerpiece to the front bumper cover. But obviously I can't use this anymore because this was attached to the stock crash beam. So instead I just simply went and got a nut that fits this bolt, and I'm just going to bolt it straight to the bumper from underneath, because if you don't run this bolt, there is a gap. You know, it needs to have this bolt so it runs flush. So yeah, I can't run the center support anymore, but it's fine, won't be an issue. So there you can see the blow-off valve through the grill now. Pretty cool. But everything's put back together. Front end, headlights, it's all on. There you go. Alright guys, we're all finished. Install was pretty straightforward. Everything can be done by yourself. The only thing I would recommend to have an extra set of hands on is putting the front bumper cover back on without another pair of hands. It'd probably be pretty difficult. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. And subscribe for future videos.